Hi guys! Vlogger na ako. At mom. Ilan mo nga bago. Gusto ko ng ganito din camera. So, buong video ganun lang. Hi guys! Hi guys!
Yun na talaga eh. Hi guys! This is what we're doing today.
So, hi guys!
So, hi guys.
Masterpiece of intelligence.
Ay, magaling,
Amazing.
magaling.
Buti po yung camera na catch ko. So, this is my wallet, guys. Actually, hindi ko to wallet. Wallet to ng nanay ko. Kinuha ko lang.
Actually, ng color niya.
Ito yung motion gate card ko. Ganda ko dyan. Ah. Shukran. Wait, may nag-message ako. Hi, guys! Mag-vlog na ako kasi nag-makeup na ako. So, maganda na ako. Ang hirap maging vlogger. Puti na lang niyo ako vlog. Siguro pag naging vlogger ako, magka-hire ako ng mag-e-edit ng video. Dito tayo sa ring light, guys. Kasi, oh! Feeling ko tuloy artista ako. My Globe SIM card. Tapos this part, my coins.
Dami.
Oo. Hindi nga yan lahat, ano eh, UAE.
Oh?
May Philippines dyan. Anyways, whatever.
One time, nagbayad ako ng peso sa school.
Oh, tama.
Hindi naman napansin.
As in, like, pesos. Sa
1 peso.
Sa Carrefour, yung lola ko, wala siyang coins nun. And all she had was pesos. Eh, di ba lalagay mo yan sa Carrefour na card? Tapos, sinuksok niya. Tapos, pumasok. Tapos, parang na-amaze siya. So, guys, I'm so rich. Tingnan niyo.
Nina, saan tayo pupunta?
Liar naman si kuya. Ayan.
Ayun. Liar agad. Hindi ka kasi naghahanap eh.
Punta kami ng Khalifa Street.
Please fasten your seatbelt. What happened?
May chips. May chips. My lips are so chapped. My chips. Sorry. See you later. Nakikita natin si Ate Chloe. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Andito na kami sa
Taiyaki. Kakain kami ng sushi.
video. Hi guys.
Ano yung nasira mo? Yung bracket. Hungry na kami.
Magmumukbang kami guys. Oh my god, makikita mo yung dogs ko.
Anong names nila?
Peanuts siya kasi pork. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Yeah, we're gonna eat na. Ate, say hi!
Boyfriend.
Natanggal na yung ano. She has no braces anymore.
Ah, girl. Bumibili kami ng... Ang ganda talaga ng mukha ko dito. Girl. Ang ganda ko talaga. Hi, guys. So, we're gonna cook French toast. Okay, bye.
Nice talking with you.
Hey guys, I am not gonna record my face because I look like trash. No, you're okay. So this is Global English School. Where is Sophia? Oh my god. So as you can see, Omnia, stop being cringy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh my god, I suck at angles. Okay. Hi, hello. Move!
You know, she was so mean to me this morning and then she just exploded. She's like, okay, I'm going to surprise you.
Hi, Allah. That's Sarbajo. Okay, you can't see Sarbajo.
Hi! So, hi guys.
She's in a vlog?
Yeah! Woo! We're featured in your vlog! You made it!
Okay,
Hi guys.
those cringy girls.
My camera.
Huh? I missed you. I missed you, camera.
Ano po kasi tito? Hi guys. I am at church.
Hi guys! We just got out of church. Bakit ang pangit ko?
Introduce mo si Ate Chloe at si Tita.
Mag-hi ka, ma'am, sa vlog ko. Wow, vlog ko. Hi, ate. Ang init, guys. Hi, we meet again.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi. So, we are at Alain Mall. We're gonna watch a movie.
Hi, guys. This is Mika.
Naka-record ba?
Naka-record, oh.
Ay, di ba na vlogger?
Na yun, tambay sila.
Say hi to my vlog.
Your vlog?
Sophia's vlog.
Nina Cam.
Name tag. 1, 2, 3, pop. Ipapop mo, ah. Name tag. 1, 2, 3, name tag. Oh, diba? Ulit, name tag. 1, 2, 3, name tag. Dapat kailangan mo lagay yung name tag. Ah.
Naperapan mo. Ay, nag-record na yun, ha?
Ito na naman po ako. I'm back again. Yesterday you saw me already, so I'm back here with Sophia. There. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. No, where's the ano to?
Ayun. Bilisan mo na. Gawin mo na ako, baby.
Dali na.
Ikaw, gawin mo.
Hi, guys. Ate, kadiri siya.
Say it, do it again.
Hi, guys.
Uy, Nina, gawin mo nga. Wait. Ang bad trip.
Hi, guys.
Off ko na nga to. Paano ba to?
Hindi, magpipicture tayo.
Nagre-record. Paano ka magpipicture? Hi, guys.
Bye, guys.